In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove image backgrounds quickly and easily using PixelCut AI. It's super simple, realistic, and best of all, free. First, head over to the PixelCut website. You can sign up using your email or Gmail account. If you already have an account, just log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. At the top, you'll see the Remove Background tool. Click on it to get started. Now, you can upload your own image. If you don't have a photo ready, PixelCut even provides sample images at the bottom of the page under Don't Have a Photo. Try on these. I uploaded an image of a man to show you how background removal works. As you can see, PixelCut instantly removes the background for you. But it doesn't stop there. You also get the option to add beautiful AI-generated backgrounds, like a professional office, cozy home, nature getaway, urban street, vintage setting, and many more. Let me show you how the professional office background looks. It's so realistic, you wouldn't even guess it was edited with AI. When you're happy with your image, just click to download it. It's fast and easy. If you prefer the image without any background, you can download that version too. PixelCut also offers a pro version with more features. The pricing starts at $8, goes up to $24, and the maximum plan is $48. Choose what fits your needs best. And that's it. A simple, fast, and free way to remove and edit backgrounds using PixelCut AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content.